Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this captivating video, we invite you to join us on an incredible journey of exploring exotic yoga and uncovering hidden serenity. Get ready to dive into the enchanting world of unique yoga practices that will elevate your mind, body, and spirit. Exotic yoga takes you beyond the traditional boundaries of yoga, introducing you to mesmerizing styles such as acro yoga, kundalini yoga, aerial yoga, and more. In this video, we will unveil the essence and magic of these practices, revealing the serene and transformative power they hold. Through breathtaking visuals and insightful demonstrations, we will guide you on an exploration of each exotic yoga style. Experience the joy and connection of acro yoga's partner movements, the awakening of energy with kundalini, yoga's powerful techniques, and the graceful flow of aerial yoga as you soar above the ground. Discover the hidden serenity that lies within these practices as they help you find balance, harmony, and a deeper connection with yourself. Whether you are a seasoned yogi or new to the mat, this video will inspire you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and unlock the serenity that awaits. Subscribe to our channel now and join us in exploring the world of exotic yoga. Unveil hidden serenity, embrace new experiences, and elevate your practice to new heights. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey that will bring you inner peace, vitality, and a profound sense of serenity through the captivating world of exotic yoga.